Hello, my lovely students, my lovely atoms. A very warm welcome from my side. My name is Anubha, your chemistry master teacher, your AG ma'am, and I hope all of you are doing absolutely awesome. So probably you know that this is the last video of our VIP series, but this series is very much important. I hope you had followed it from very starting. If you're coming for the very first time, you will be able to see all the videos on Vedantu 9th English channel. Just see the playlist on the channel and you will get each and every video. This is the last video, which is from our last chapter, periodic classification of elements. Number 2 means there's already one video that was already premiered. I hope you had seen that video too. What are we going to discuss in this particular video? Very much important, because trust me, if you revise this one properly, so many questions can come from the topic that I'm going to discuss, and maybe the question either the same or maybe with the language different. So are you all are ready and you are with me that yes ma'am, I'll stay till the end and will revise each and every important topic that you're going to tell, because anyway this is going to be super helpful for you guys. So the topic will be the most important one, as you know, trends in periodic table. We'll talk about valency, atomic size, metallic character and electronegativity according to your NCERT syllabus and the topics that can come into exams. So super ready? Yeah. What about giving me a high five? Don't forget to like the video. Please share it among your friends and definitely subscribe if you're new, so that all the upcoming videos you know with a notification and can come back every time and can see if there is a live session. You can ask your doubts also, and all the premiered videos in advance so that you won't miss any of the same for your proper revision. Yes, students. And let's start with question number 1, which is what? A metal M form an oxide having the formula M2O3. It belongs to third period in the modern periodic table. Write the atomic number and valency of the element. Okay. So the very first hint, you have to capture all the important information that is given in the question, and you can always, highlight it. Maybe with the help of a pencil, you can underline those important things. Formula is M2O3, which is giving me an idea what all the information are more of like a code that you need to decode. So that is the valency of M is 3, valency of O is 2. We already know oxygen will have a valency 2 because formula we get from the cross multiplication of valency. M's valency is 3 and that belongs to third period too. We need to write the atomic number. The very important information that you can also figure it out, that is a metal or a substance which is electropositive in nature. How come? Because we start a compound with the positive substance, positive element, I mean an atom getting a positive charge, and ends with a one that ends with a negative charge. So this is definitely a metal, and then metal oxide, as it's given also metal oxides. So metal's valency 3 means the last shell is having 3 electron. Period number 3 means 3 shell, K, L, M. Last shell 3 electron, because metal with valency 3 is this condition only. First, second must be fulfilled, then only you will move to the third one. So here we decoded that my elements configuration is this 283. That's nothing but aluminium. Valency of the element is 3, or you can also say plus 3, because metal believes in donating the electron, so plus 3 also. Isn't it an easy question? So as I said, mark the important points and then this will help you to solve the questions, maybe decode it. Yes, students. Okay, we'll move to next question. Again for 1 mark, and name 2 elements you would expect to show same chemical reaction similar to magnesium. So here is our hint given. Same chemical reaction as magnesium means same chemical reactivity as your magnesium. And you know that in a group, chemical reactivity remains same. Why chemical reactivity remains same? Because element shows same valence electron, means same tendency to lose, to gain or to share electron. So same what? Same kind of property. So do you remember the group of magnesium? I told you a trick in Umang classes. So if you haven't followed all the Umang videos, these were the videos that will help you for your proper revision of each and every topic, means thorough revision. And then you can see one shot video, then you can see sprint series, then you can see VIP series. I don't think that you need anything else. Yes, students. So let me tell you the trick that I have given you for this group 2 from where my magnesium belongs. Bearded muggles came straight back rapidly. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. So all of the members will show similar kind of a property. Generally, we don't consider radium being radioactive. So you can write here beryllium, calcium, strontium, barium. All of these will show same kind of a property. Isn't it cool? Mnemonics, the way to remember that. Bearded muggles came straight back rapidly. Okay, students, we will move to next question. I hope you know that the next slide, the very next slide will be an answer slide so that when you download the PDF, you will get the detailed answer also with my common feedback, which I'm giving. You can save these also. Yes, students? Okay. Next question is on the basis of the periodic classification. Identify each set belonging to either a group or period. Remember that only up to 20 elements is something that's the most important in periodic table for you. So on that basis, you should remember that. And group 1, group 2, group 17, group 18, these are the ones that you should know. Already in Umang series, I've told you about group 1 to 2, group 13 to 18 mnemonics to remember those groups. Yes, so when I talk about sodium, magnesium, aluminium, sometime atomic number will always help. Will always help? Yes, mostly. So 11 atomic number, 12, 13. And when atomic number is increasing by 1, that's the property of a period that we try to arrange the elements with an extra electron means my atomic number will also be increasing by 1. That's definitely the same period, that to period number 3. 3 number of shells will be included. Sodium, potassium, rubidium. So this is something, if you remember, is our group. How come? This is the group I told you. I'm telling in Hindi, not in Hindi but English. How to remember this? Because in Hindi we did on Hindi channel. Okay, so this is group, and how did we remember that? Highly nasty kids rub cats' fur. Highly nasty kids rub cats' fur. So if I talk about my sodium, my potassium, and my rubidium, this is something belonging to the same group, that is group 1. 1 because 1 valence electron. In a group, valence electron remains same. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These all are the elements. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, 5, 6, 7 atomic number, increasing atomic number, definitely a period. And that to period number 2. Why period number 2? Because 2 number of shells are going to include in which electrons are there. Helium, neon, argon, noble gases. Noble gases belong to the same group, group 18. And let me see how you guys remember that. Okay, let's see that. So you can remember that. He needs our millennial language, our crazy Xerox repairman. He needs our crazy Xerox repairman. And that is my group 18 noble gases group. And so definitely helium, neon, argon belongs to that group, noble gases, because 8 electron in their last shell, octet is already followed. So same group, that is 18. They didn't ask about the group number or period number. I just told you with extra information. You can simply tell period and group. That's it. Simple? Okay. Let's move to next question. I hope you are doing all the questions with me, because these series will be super helpful when you're having a notebook and pen. You can, if you're seeing it not live, then you can pause the video and can solve it and can match everything. This will be very helpful for your exam point of view, because then you will feel that you're more prepared, super prepared. Then you'll compare in such a way that how much you know, what are the feedback that you can get from the session, that these are something that you missed and can put. Okay. Question number 4. Why do all the elements of the same group have similar properties? We discussed that already. Same period have different properties. So when you have to explain the answer for A, same group, I can take a same group. Okay. Why do they show same kind of a property? Because their valence electron is same, means they have same tendency to lose the electron, maybe gain or maybe share. So same way they are reacting. So chemical property same. All of them are electron donor, and they donate their electron to non-metals and connect with them, react with them. Simple. But when I talk about period. Let's try to draw the one. Let's try to write the one. What about period number 2? Okay. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. What do we see? That in a period, my valence electron is not same, but valence electron is increasing. If valence electron is changing, definitely their tendency to show reaction is already changing. One electron donate, two donate, three donate, and their tendency to lose the electron is decreasing. Then it will share the electron and they will gain the electron, and their tendency to gain the electron increases because 5 needs 3 electrons, 6 needs 2, and 7 needs 1 electron. So their tendency to gain the electron increases. So different valence electron, different tendency to react with the other substance, different properties they'll show. That's how. That is what the answer is. And I hope you got it. That's what is written in this slide. So you can get the proper answer also in the next slide. Okay, don't forget to download it from the description box. You will get the link. Next is again a 2 marks question. How does the valency of elements vary in a group and going from left to right? Group is very easy because your group number already telling you the information about valence electron. If valence electron remains same, so as valency, because again valency is the combining capacity, how your element is going to react with the other element by losing, gaining or sharing electron. If valence electron is same tendency to lose, gain or share. So in a group, valency remain same. Let's talk about a period, and that is something that's very interesting again. Okay, let me try a different one. This time I'm trying period number 3. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine. You can write argon also. I'm writing here. So you can see 281. Writing the configuration will always help to decide my valency. 285, 286, 287 and 288. So students, you know that valence electron helps to decide the valency, right? 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Valence electron is something that's increasing. So how our valency is going to change? Let me take a different color. My valence electron is increasing, but my valency is the tendency to lose, gain or share electron. Up to 3 electron, they believe in losing the electron. Metal shows valence electron 1 to 3, and that's easy to lose. 4 believes in sharing. 5, 6, 7 they believe in gaining the electron. 3 to 1. So valency here will be changing in what sense? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 will show valency 3. This will show 2. This will show 1. And this will show 0. You can remember with a trick. If your valence electron is up to 4, that's what the valency. If valence electron is more than 4, you have to subtract that number from 8. So 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 6, 2. 8 minus 7, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. So what you see in terms of valency? First increasing and then decreasing up to 0. Remain same in a group, and first increasing then decreasing in a period. So you got this properly? Please do let me know in the comment section, because your comments are very important for all of us. So do let us know. Okay, so students, let's move to next question. But why not giving some information about our platform called as Vedantu, where you can come and gain 100% knowledge and 100% marks as well. Is it possible? I scored 100 out of 100, and I was also like an average student, trust me. And this is something that was happened due to my teachers who guided me properly. I saw some fallback, and then my teacher guided me properly, and then I could achieve that. So you can do with the proper guidance as well, because in Vedantu platform, it's like 2 months left, March and April. You can again do the proper revision with a fast track manner to make sure that your revision is going super awesome and you won't lose the marks with silly mistakes. Come attend all the live classes with so much of high level quizzes, where you'll see that it is changing you, because you'll be able to respond, you'll see it visually, and this is like more of active learning. You'll remember those things for a longer time. Have a healthy competition with the students throughout the world. Best part is replays won't be bored, or you can manage your time accordingly, that somehow if you miss a session, you can see the replay according to your time with a live experience, because you will be able to participate in the quiz and can come to leaderboard in a replay time. and that was not happening anywhere else. To make sure that your learning is going good, awesome, all the content you will be able to download with our own feedback. This is important. These are the in-text question you need to do in depth and all. So you'll be already one step ahead. And it's not like any doubt is small or big. Every doubt is important, and your doubts will be solved as well at Vedantu platform with the help of teachers, master teachers, and a team of class teachers dedicated to solve your doubts instantly. And as I said, there are so much more than whatever I told you. Called as some free courses included. Free crash courses, so many fast track courses are already there. More of like crash courses for your revision. So that in this 2 months, your revision is like in that way that you know where were you're making the mistakes and can correct it, and can boost your score to 10 to 15% also in a very less price. You're getting more and more at this platform because we really want to be there with you, and for the same we just thought of giving an additional discount so that you won't think this as a too much burden, and you can avail 50% discount right now. How? There is a link in the description box. Also, the same link was pinned by Vedantu 19 channel. Means the very first message you will find in the comment section is from Vedantu, and the link is there. You have to select CBSE 10th class 2021 as your target. And while buying the course, don't forget to apply this code. AG Ma'am's code is AGE English channel, and Pro is this course. So AGE Pro will give you that 50% discount, and the course from 2500 for a month will be now for 1250, and very soon this will be changed, don't worry, for 2 months also, and the price will reduce further so that you can come and can attend all the classes in as low as 6 rupees per session in a month. I think lesser than your school fees. I'm not very sure, but maybe around that. Yes, definitely lesser than a party pack of yours. Yes, students, so come and attend all the classes with the AGE Pro code for that discount. Now, let's move to next question, students. And the question is, chlorine's atomic number is there, that is 17, is more electronegative than sulfur. Can we do that with the help of arranging them in our periodic table? This is sulfur with the configuration 286, sorry, because atomic number 16. Then my chlorine 287. Now, this is more electronegative, but obvious because when we move in a period, my electronegativity increases. But what exactly is the reason behind the same? Because my chlorine and sulfur, when we move in a period, my atomic size also decreases, right? Means this sulfur's nucleus is having 16 proton, 16 positive charge. Chlorine nucleus is having 17 proton, 17 nuclear charge. I mean charge on the nucleus. So a nucleus of chlorine is stronger than sulfur. If stronger nucleus, it will pull the electron more tightly. Okay, so size will be small. So when electron is approaching to a smaller size atom, which needed it mostly, your nucleus will show a very good attraction and let them enter into it, as compared to here sulfur, where it has to first of all accept 2 electron, and nucleus is comparatively less stronger than my chlorine. Chlorine, stronger nucleus, smaller size because attraction is more. When electron will come, this electron will be attracted strongly by the nucleus, pulled by nucleus, so show more electronegativity, because electronegativity is nothing but tendency to attract the electron from shared pair of atom. Okay, this is important. Electronegativity is the property of a molecule. Yes, okay. Now we'll move ahead. I hope you got it. If we consider two things here, that how atomic size decreases in a period and how electronegativity increases in a period. So we revise these two topics as well. Now question number 7, which is important, and for 7 question is for 3 marks. Let's see how to do that. Element of the second period of periodic table are given below: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Give reason to explain why atomic radius decreased from lithium to fluorine. Okay, these are the two main factors. Never forget this. This will help you to solve all the trends problem. One is nuclear charge, something we discussed in the last question also. And the second thing is number of shells. Number of shells and nuclear charge. Atomic radius is basically what? The distance between the center of the nucleus to the last shell in which electrons are present. This size is called as atomic radius or atomic size. Now, when I talk about a period, you can see that this is period number 2 because all the electrons will be there in these two periods. If I talk about lithium, beryllium, boron, these will be the two shells in which electron will be, are there. Number of shell remains same, not changing. Second factor we need to judge is nuclear charge on the nucleus. Lithium is having 3 positive charge on its nucleus, definitely due to 3 proton. Neutron doesn't have any charge. Plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, right? So my nucleus is getting more and more positive charge. More and more positive charge when you move in a period means stronger and stronger your nucleus is going to be. So stronger nucleus means strong pull with the electron. So if my nuclear charge is increasing, nucleus becoming stronger and pulling the electron tightly, that means size is somewhat going to decrease. Not a very big decrease, but yeah, due to this pull, strong pull, size will decrease. So that's why atomic size decreases. You can say that this is inversely proportional to atomic size. Okay, students, hope it makes sense. And as I said, we already did that in detail in Umang series 2. You can follow those videos. Now, next is about metallic and non-metallic character. Identify the most metallic and non-metallic element in this period. Okay, let's do that. So I am writing its configuration also 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, and 2 7. Most metallic element among this is my metallic character is what the tendency of your element to lose electron, and you know that if there is only one electron it's easy to lose, two difficult, three more difficult, 5 6 7 not possible at all. So lithium is the one just having one electron in its last shell and it's easy to lose. Other way to see is from nuclear charge. I told you two factor, number of shell, nuclear charge. Number of shell, same period. Let's connect it with nuclear charge. My lithium is the one having plus 3 nuclear charge, beryllium plus 4, boron plus 5, carbon plus 6, oxygen plus, nitrogen plus 7, oxygen plus 8, and fluorine plus 9. So when I'm moving in a period, my nuclear charge is increasing, means my lithium is the one showing lesser nuclear charge, so lesser pull towards electron. Lesser pull means these electrons are easy to lose, and that's how it shows maximum metallic character. So you can say that my metallic character is inversely proportional to my nuclear charge. Lesser nuclear charge means more metallic character, because no less nuclear charge means these are not attracting the electron strongly and they are easy to lose. So most metallic is lithium. Let's talk about non-metallic element. Again, non-metallic character is what? The tendency of your element to gain an electron. More easily your element can gain electron, more metallic that will be. Again, this is the one that's having 7 electron in its last shell and want to gain 1 electron, which is like very much reactive, that as soon as I'll gain one, I'll be super stable. Apart from that, as I told, we will connect it with nuclear charge because that's the more, correct explanation will be. So nuclear charge is directly proportional to non-metallic character. How come? If my more and more nuclear charge is there, means more tendency to pull the electron, stronger nucleus will pull the electron tightly. So when electron is coming, tendency to attract the electron. When electron is coming, this nucleus of fluorine, more positive, more easily can attract that upcoming electron, and also due to lesser size as size decrease. Less size, more strong nucleus, easily able to attract the upcoming electron, so maximum non-metallic. So fluorine will be maximum non-metallic and lithium will be maximum metallic. So what do we get to know? My metallic character decreases in a period and non-metallic character increases in a period. My electronegativity also increases in a period. Last question we did that. Yes, atomic size also decreases. We also did that. So it's not only question, it's also a kind of a quick revision. So please see this on that aspect also, and I hope you're getting it. So please do let me know. Now question number 8 is again for 3 marks. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium are the elements having 1, 2 and 3 valence electron, but obvious elements of a period. Which of these has the largest atomic radius and less reactive? I think we did that already, that when we move in a period, my atomic size is something that's decreasing. Reason is something we discussed that as well, that this is my inversely proportional to atomic size or atomic radius. More and more nuclear charge, more pull they will show towards electron and lesser size it will be. Sodium has minimum nuclear charge here. Less nuclear charge means less tendency to pull, so comparatively more size. Yes? So you can say that here sodium has the largest size in a period. Now, least reactive. Reactivity is again how your element is losing, gaining, and sharing electron. When we move, this has to lose 1, this has to lose 2, this has to lose 3. Tendency to lose electron decreasing. So, aluminium is the one least reactive among the 3. Okay, reactivity means how much easily they can lose and gain electron. So first they lose electron, then they'll gain electron. Chemical reactivity decreasing and then increasing again because they'll gain electron, and last element, halogen family, needs only 1 electron. Easy to gain. Okay, makes sense? Got it? Okay, let's move ahead then. Question number 9, and is it easy? You only let me know. Identify the elements from the following characteristics and arrange them in increasing order of metallic character. I have already told you what is metallic character. Tendency of your substance to lose electron. Tendency of your element to lose electron. So first we'll identify these elements and then we'll put them into right order of metallic character, increasing order. An element which impart golden yellow color to the flame is my metal sodium. Sodium, whenever you burn it, it gives golden flame. An element whose oxide is used as a whitewash, you know that calcium oxide, whenever you put in water, you will get lime water. That solution we put on whitewashing. So that metal is calcium. That element is calcium. An element which is constituent of chlorophyll, green coloring pigment of plants, that's magnesium. That's there in chlorophyll. So I need to talk about the metallic character of sodium, calcium, magnesium. Let's try to put it into the periodic table according to our information about the period number and group number. Sodium and magnesium both belongs to period number 3 because of having their electron in 3 shells. Okay, yeah, 2. And then my calcium is something that belongs to period number 4, 2882 is the configuration, and that too from the same group of magnesium because same valence electron, that is 2, 2. Right? You got it? That's how they'll be arranging in the periodic table. Like this. Okay? So this is my group number 1. This is group number 2. Sodium, magnesium, calcium. Let's use the information that we needed. That when we move in a period, we discussed that metallic character decreases because it has to lose 1 electron, easy to lose. It has to lose 2 electron, a bit difficult. And when we move in a group, metallic character increases. Okay, here decreases, here increases. 4 shells, it's easy, sorry, it's 2. 4 shell, it's easy to lose an electron. Here, sodium, magnesium, only 3 shells. So first, maximum metallic character will be shown by calcium as it's having 4 shell and comparatively far away from nucleus, and these electrons are easy to lose. And among sodium and magnesium, metallic character decreases. So sodium is more electropositive, more metallic character it will show because it has to lose only 1 electron. So first calcium, like super reactive, here like more reactive, then sodium, and last magnesium in terms of metallic behavior. As we need to put it into decreasing order of metallic character, increasing order of metallic character, so what will we do? Magnesium minimum metallic character, then sodium, then calcium. This will be the answer because we didn't need to put like this. This is decreasing order. We need to put it into increasing order. Sorry for this confusion of increasing, decreasing. Less a metallic character, comparatively more, and most metallic character. This was a very good question, and such kind of a question can come into exam, so your practice is very much important. Hope you got it. Metallic character decreases, metallic character increases. Calcium due to 4 number of shells comparatively a better property to explain, more metallic character. So first calcium, then sodium, then magnesium. If we talk about decreasing order, increasing order, you can do the reverse. Got it, students? Please tell me your response in the comment section. And here is one question which I have already discussed in the entire class, but I really need to know from you as a homework so that I can see whether you got it or not. How does the metallic character changing along a period, that is left to right? P. How does the size of atom change along a period? Isn't it something that we discussed already? So if you are listening to me properly, if you got all the points properly, please tell me your response in one line. It will be great so that I can get to know. Yeah, my students are with me, revising properly, and their revisions are going awesome. Yes, and as I said, don't forget to take the maximum advantages from Vedantu courses right now because we really wanted to be with you. We will be there with you. And for the same, you can get this 50% extra discount from the link in the description box, also pinned by Vedantu channel, the very first message in the chat section. Open it, select your grade CBSE 2021. Select your course for 1 to 2 months for March or March to April for your quick revision and crash courses. The best attraction right now with the code AGEPRO, you will get that 50% discount. And for a month, you're just paying 1250 rupees, which was earlier 2500. Okay, students? So avail a session in as low as 6 rupees. Like clear all your doubts and just master each and every topic in as low as a party bag. Yes, students. So thank you so much for being here. That was lovely to have you all. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe the channel if you're new. You can reach out to me on my email ID. Please stay tuned. Watch each and every video for your proper revision. I'll come next time. Until then, please take care. Stay safe. Hasta la vista.